South Summit Fire is looking for good people to join our department. We're primarily a volunteer organization, but we do have a modest stipend program to help offset some of the expenses that you incur. You're not going to get rich here. Let's be honest, you're not even going to make a living here. But what you will make is a difference in the community, a difference in people's lives, and a difference in the department. You might do that on when they're having a bad day, might be their worst day, might even be their last day. The hours of training that you'll go through is a huge commitment, but it's all necessary for the safety of yourself and for those that you're going to be out serving. Of getting up day and night, hot or cold, and doing the things that either other people won't do or can't do is going to make a big difference in your life. South Summit Fire responds on a number of different types of calls. We can be anywhere from up in the mountains, in cabin areas, or on wildland fires, on auto accidents, or down here in the valley at someone's home. Hazardous materials, animal rescues, and every sort of medical call that you can imagine. We're a growing department that someday may be full-time, but right now we're that volunteer organization that's hanging on to the small town atmosphere of community helping community. We have training programs that'll get you through what's called structural firefighter certifications, wildland hazardous materials, and of course emergency medical. In auto accidents, we could be cutting the car apart to get people extricated from the vehicle or bringing them up to the roadside where the ambulance and the helicopter are waiting for them. Hopefully you'll be able to make it to our open house, talk to the firefighters, and find out if South Summit Fire will be a good fit for you.